Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. It was just because I was busy with my college life. I used to have exams and assignments literally every day, and also with my job life. So, for the people who don't know me, my name is Neha Thomas, and I am a student in Canada. I am doing my post graduation in IT business analysis. So today's video is just a random day of my last month. So this video was taken last month, but then because I didn't had time to upload it, I wanted to upload it with my audio. That's the reason I was dragging it. But then finally I got some time today, so I'm taking this video. So we had a plan of going out, like for an outing. So before that, we just came here to my brother-in-law's friend's house. So this is my brother-in-law's friend's house. So this backyard deck is made by himself, like my brother-in-law's friend. He made it by himself, and this view, like I really liked it. The way he made this without anybody's help, this was awesome. As you can see, this they have their dinner, lunch, and breakfast whenever the weather is like in their favor. They have their breakfast, dinner, and lunch over here. And this is their small garden. It's a vegetable garden. This is also beautiful. Just like you can see, they have spinach, tomatoes, chilies. So many things are there. So most of the people in Canada have their own garden. That's a very special thing I've found here, and that's a very interesting thing because it's always good to have your own garden and have your own vegetables planted, because that is good for your health. Obviously, you can have fresh food at your home. So I just showed this because I thought that you would love to see this. I found it attractive, so I just planned to take this video too. So after this, we were going to a place called Redcliffe, Alberta. I'll be showing you my journey, like our journey. We just had some time over here. We had tea, we had some snacks, and then my brother-in-law, my sister, my niece, me, and my brother-in-law's friend's wife, and their two kids, we all went there. So I'll be showing you. And this was their fish tank. I found it attractive. As you can see, they're beautiful, right? And then we are on the way to our house. So yeah, we were walking towards our house. So that's our house where the white car is parked over there. So yeah, I'll be also adding some other points over here while you enjoy my video. I just want to let you know that the route that I've traveled, that is from Kochi to Muscat and Muscat to Germany and Germany to Toronto, that route has been started. My agent Didi called me, and she just told me that this route is working right now. So if anybody wants to book this route, then they are welcome. So if anybody is interested to book this through this route, let me know so that I can help you out. I can give you their contact. She can help you out by booking this route, or maybe other route. If you don't want this route, you can also go through other route. So let me know. So yeah, we were going to our main destination, Redcliffe. So this was just a day, like I had a day off. Also my brother-in-law had a day off. So this was a common day that we have a day off. And so when we found such day, we planned a trip. That's how we are going. It was just 1 hour, 1 hour long, I guess, 1 or 2 hour, I don't know. Yeah, maybe 1 hour long. So we went there. We are almost there, and you can see the view. This is beautiful. So we were enjoying. We had music. but then I muted that because of copyright issues. That's a horse. And then we are almost here. Now you can enjoy the view. There's a lake. So this was a very beautiful place, and so I took so many videos over here, and I've posted some of my pics and videos on my Instagram too. So for the people who want to follow me and want to know some queries regarding new like route and regarding Canada courses, things like that, you can DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is mentioned on my description box. My account is private though, but you can just send me the request. I'll accept it, or you can directly message me. I'll be accepting your queries. So you can see, I guess you have seen, someone was fishing over there, and then I don't know why I really liked this bike, so this I just took a video with it. I've not uploaded it anywhere though, but then I took just a video just for my memory. And then this is the place, River Valley Road. And then my niece was not feeling comfortable in her seat, so they were just arranging, like doing something over there. And then we again walked towards the view. We were going towards the mountain. So people come here for walking, cycling and things like that. We took a lot of videos here, literally lot of videos. So yeah, I guess so many students are opting for indirect route right now, and many the people who are vaccinated, they don't need to do hotel quarantine now. Like nowadays, I think that's how it's working. So that's a good thing, because you are saving a lot of money if you're not quarantining. Like if you don't have to do a hotel quarantine, then you're going to save a lot of money. So it's better to get vaccinated and then travel. But then there are some, but still flights are not working, and so people are going for indirect routes. So if somebody is asking me that whether we should opt for indirect routes or we should wait again, then I would suggest you should travel, because it's been a long time. It's not only about money, but it's also about your mental health. You were just waiting for a long time, and then you're not able to travel. Your classes have been started, many people are traveling, so it's better you look for a indirect route that are cheaper and just travel. Anyway, we have spent a lot of money on our Canada journey, so why not spend some more and just reach at your destination, because that was all you're trying for, right? So just go for it, and just because you need to come here and settle down, so obviously that would take some time too. So better you do as soon as possible. Come here, get adjusted with the situation, get used to all the scenarios here, and then get a part-time job, start your college, start your everything. Like you have to adjust, have to have balance with your college life and your part-time job life. So that all takes time, and then you have to find accommodation over here, you need to have friends over here, so that all things will take time. So I hope you're listening to me as well as you're enjoying the view over here. This was beautiful. I just took so many videos and then just uploaded it here so that you guys can also enjoy all this view. So with this, I also thought of chit-chatting about route, student life. Anyways, I'll be coming up, maybe in future I'll be coming up with some informative videos. So yeah, that would help some students too. Currently, as I've mentioned before, I'm not getting time, and that's the reason I'm not able to upload informative videos. So I got a job. I'll be talking about that job too, where I'm working, how is my job life. Maybe in future I'll be uploading that. So yeah, this was our journey. We just roamed around here. We had some food, we enjoyed the view, we enjoyed sunset, and then we were returning back. I didn't take each and every moment, but then I had some clips, a few clips, so I just merged it all and made this video. So here now we are going back to our place, our home. So this was my day off. So this is how we enjoy our day off. Whenever we get some time, we try to utilize it as much as possible, because in Canada you are actually very busy with your life. You don't get time much. Yeah, like you will get time. You will get 1 or 2 days off. So that time you can utilize it by going somewhere, visiting your friend's place, doing all that. The reason why I'm able to do all this is because I'm at my brother-in-law's place with my sister. That's the reason I'm able to enjoy all this. I don't know if I come to Toronto I'll be able to do all this or not, but still I'll try to do. So this was all my video. That's all about the journey. After that we had our dinner at our house. So this is a barbecue party. This all are my brother-in-law's friends. So we enjoyed a barbecue. We had a lot of fun. I took so many videos. I uploaded it on my Instagram. That's fun, right? I don't know why I like uploading my pictures and videos on my Instagram. Whenever I am bored, I do that. Even if I don't get time, even if I'm studying in between my class, if I'm bored, I upload somewhere. So you can see how we are making it. We enjoyed it a lot. That's how we spent our day off. So this is all about my video. I'll be coming up with some more interesting video. So please do subscribe my channel. I'll be shooting some more interesting videos. I already have so many videos with me, but I need to edit it and add my audio too, because I know when I add my audio it's interesting. If I don't add my audio, it's boring, and that's the reason it's taking time for me to upload some videos. So whenever I'll be uploading something, I'll be using my voice. So that's all. Thank you so much, guys.